Morning. Lots of parkruns cancelled this morning due to the inclement weather that we've had, with everything being flooded or soggy or underwater and icy now after a very cold night. So we have come to Heritage Coastal Trail, which is a new one for us, bit of a cross-country on fields affair. Let's see what this one's like. So it's supposed to be on their winter course, which is slightly different to their summer course, but apparently there's a big icy patch, so they're having to do an impromptu course redirection or something, so we'll probably be the only time anybody ever does this route. So that does mean we'll have to come back and video the other two routes as well, though, so you can look forward to that content. Nice country park by the sea, the North Sea. As you can see, lots of ice on the road. Not entirely sure trail shoes were necessary for this one, but we'll see as we go along. Old County Durham colliery type town here, for the colliery that used to be here. Easington Colliery. Lots of parking on street. And the cafe that you can use afterwards do let you use their toilets first thing, so there are facilities. Although only one place to go.
Is it top course or is it? Where is it?
Right, good morning everyone, welcome to Parkrun. My name's Ron, I'm the run director for this morning. Happy Valentine's Day to the romantics amongst us. Do you have any first timers just starting Parkrun for the first time? No, you're all happy souls. Do you have any visitors and tourists today with us? From where? Can you shout out where you're from? Washington.
Nesborough.
Sedgefield, we're getting nearer.
Nesborough, Yorkshire.
Very good. Right, okay. The course details. We've been here since 8 o'clock and we've had to modify the course a little bit. We would normally do a route going around the coastline, and then the second part of the course will be up there. Up there is frozen solid. It's too dangerous, we can't go up there, can't do that. What we're going to put together for you is 3 laps around the cliff tops. I don't know if it's exactly 5k. We think it's about 5k.
Might be a PV,
yes. Or a PW. Please don't leave us any bad reviews saying they have no idea what to do. Keep smiling. So we've coupled this together in the last half hour. It was either that or cancel, to be honest, and we didn't want to cancel since everybody's made the effort to travel such huge distances to come and see us. So basically you're going to run down where the cones are at the bottom, down towards the bridge. Please be careful as you go down. That is downhill, it's tarmac, it was frosty. So please take your time as you're going down there. It wasn't too slippery, well not in my boots, it wasn't. It wasn't too slippery, so please be careful as you go down there. We're then going to do 3 laps of the coastal route around there, which is about a mile. I think this is
And we're off.
I didn't hear the route, just going to follow.
1 kilometre. Thank you. Thank you. Two kilometres.
Thank you.
Hold on. Thank you. Yeah, orange, yeah, it's one of the apricot range. Third kilometre. I am on trail shoes today, which for a third of the route is fantastic, but the other third, 2/3, not so good. Very pounding on the feet, hence I'm walking. Right, jog on. Thank you. Okay. Last lap, let's go. Thank you, tail walkers.
You're welcome. Well run.
Yeah.
Oh, thank you. Kilometre 4.
done.
Well done.
I think it's
Thank you, Marshall.
10 to 2.
Well done, nearly there.
Thank you, Park Walker.
Well done.
Thank you. Oh dear. Thank you, Marshals. Thank you.
That was a good guess.
Thank you. And we are done.
How was it?
Got the wrong shoes on for it.
Oh, dear me.
Yeah, but good, thank you, well done.
Scanning.
You're scanning?
I'm scanning.
Okay, just bear with me. I have to line up the phone, hurdle watch. Position 47.
Just gone there, not passing block.
That one first.
Thanks very much.
You're welcome.
There we go.
Great, thank you.
Thank you very much.
Thank you. Oh, you're welcome. Oh, good for you.
Nice run, that one. A bit tough in trail shoes, as I think I said along the way there. Oh, something in the background. Just get my finger out of the way, hold on. Start that again. Nice run, that one. Halo. I don't know what the usual routes are, but that one was a little bit tough. Definitely no need for trail shoes, as I suggested. Again, don't know what the other one's like for that. I will come back, it's quite local to us, and do the other two routes, assuming they're running the other winter route, but definitely in the summer when it's nice and hot. And that's it. Parking, as I said, roads nice and easy to park on. There is a train, as you saw, go past, but not sure if Easington has a station itself. I'm assuming it might do. And then yeah, buses, I'm assuming there's buses. As always, we drive everywhere, so check that stuff out yourself before you try and get here. Anyway, thank you for watching. Bye.